Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my channel. I am Sangeeta and you are watching my channel Simple and Easy Recipes by Sangeeta. If you are watching my channel for the first time, I request you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload new video recipes, you will get all my video notifications. So please do not forget to press the bell. So today I am presenting one very popular dessert drink from Pune, a thick mango milkshake topped with vanilla or mango ice cream. So first check out the ingredient list. And now let's start. So first cut 2 mango into small pieces and put them in a mixing jar. And now add 5 tablespoons of sugar. Now you need to add the sugar according to your taste preferences. Now I'm adding 1.5 glass of chilled milk. This milk is boiled and cooled. 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. And now give a quick mix. And now in a serving glass, first add some chopped mango pieces. Fill it till it's 1/4 of the glass. And now pour the shake which we have prepared. Now fill the glass more than half. And now finally add some vanilla ice creams on the top. Now add some chopped mangoes, few cashews or any dry fruits of your choice, and some red cherries. And now serve this chilled. I hope you like today's recipe. If you like this recipe, then please like this, share this and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.